Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make easy money for up to $600 a day from your phone for free. First thing we're going to do is to open the Sophie website using our main browser and then log in or sign up for an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Complete all the required information right here, and what you're going to do next in order to get your free $600 is to deposit your first $50 to this account. This is what you usually do when opening a new bank account, and since this is a bank as well, you're going to have to do the same. You can pull this money out anytime you want. Once done with your deposit, you will see this Get $75 button. Click on this and you will find here your referral link. If you share this link and the person you share the link to deposits their own $50 to their account, you will get $75 for it. If you do the maths, one person is equals to $75. So 3 referrals is equals to $225. And that's it. All you have to do is to hit up the people you know to start using this bank with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!